Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. Today we are at my parents' earthship and we are going to be cutting back these grasses. These are beautiful ornamental grasses and they need to be trimmed so they can start new growth in the spring. So we're gonna get right to this. There's several of them in this beautiful front garden bed. We're just gonna go through it, get to work, clean up some areas around them as well, and just have a day of pruning and cleaning. And hopefully they come back nice and healthy this year. We're gonna go grab a wheelbarrow and then get to work. Still really gross and muddy here at my parents'. It's definitely like a zone or two lower than me. So, you know, still wet, still muddy. They have a lot of land, as you can see, about 2 acres. We're stealing this wheelbarrow from my dad. He was putting compost down for the potato patch, but yeah, it's mine now. Let's go. All right, guys, I cleaned up a bunch of the ornamental grass. There's more to do in this garden. I'm gonna slowly kind of get to it, hopefully soon. But thank you so much for watching. That's it for today's video. See you soon.